So where am I today? Am I at the Coliseum? No, it's still Vancouver. And if you're ready, let's start the day with a street photography session with the Lumix S5IIx. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, and today I'm on the rooftop of the public library that, as you know, is one of my favorite buildings downtown. Why? Because I really wanted to test out my Lumix for photography purposes, because we all know that this is a very good hybrid camera and also especially good when it comes to video. But today I wanted to try the photographic setup, meaning that no ND filter mounted on it, and the OneLensOnly that I own, which is the 16 to 35 Lumix f4, it would be used as a prime. So today I'm gonna stick on 35mm with this glass because it's a Leica certified glass, and so I really wanted to test out with this setup what did I lose, what am I missing coming from the Leica Q2, because I think that 24 megapixel is plenty for street photography and 35mm on a full frame camera is a perfect setup. And so I want to go out and test it all, going around and see, now that I'm also having the alien technology implemented in the camera, because I can have eventually an automatic autofocus tracking with human, and it is quite fast, I have to say. I use it on continuous focusing point for videos, and so this is the very first time I'm trying it with the photographic setup, and so I'm testing it all today. It's a bright day, but since there is no hard light, this is perfect because we have a soft white light, so no hard shadows on the subjects, on the people, and especially it's not changing the exposure that much, because when you have hard light and you change from scenes in the sun to scenes in the shade from the buildings, then also the metering and the exposure needs to be adapted that much. But today with this white soft light, it is just perfect. So if you're ready, let's go rolling.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So how was it? Let me know down here in the comments if you think this is a great setup for photos as well, because I picked up this lens especially because it was granting me the chance to keep going with street photography. And so 35mm full frame on the Lumix camera with the Leica certified glass and with this beautiful 24 megapixel sensor, I think I'm quite pleased with the end result, despite Capture One was not up to date and this camera is fairly new, so I had to upgrade the software in order to have the color profile to manage it, but in the end I was able to do that. And so raw files, I always shoot raw, and I treated this camera as a prime lens, despite when I enter here, due to the structure and the architecture of the library, I was glad I could zoom out and use the 60mm to capture it all, because 35mm is great for street photography, but a 16 it's great for architecture. And so please let me know down here in the comment. Stay tuned, because more and more videos are coming with this Lumix camera that I'm exploring week after week after week, and it will be with me for the next months, years to come. So with that, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the new videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.